Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where I say normal is boring. So I'll be giving you new amazing recipes you can try at home. And today's recipe is omelette. What is an omelette? An omelette is just an egg filled in with some vegetables of your choice and some spices of your choice. And today's omelette, we're going to use 2 eggs. We have 1 onion, we have 1 tomato, and I have a yellow bell pepper, and we have some danias. We have this bowl where I'll be beating the ingredients in, and I have my spices of my choice. That is the mixed spice and the black pepper spice. So let's begin our recipe. I'm just going to cut this off camera. I'm going to cube them, and I'm going to cube the everything up. Then I'll be back to show you next what I'm going to do. So stay tuned guys, continue subscribing, continue sharing, and continue liking my content. Okay, I say this most of the time, but this time we are going back to back. It's going to be back to back. Let me just wash this, cube them, and I'll be back to show you what else I'm going to do. Continue watching. So guys, we have our vegetables chopped up into small little pieces, just like as you can see here. Chop them into small little pieces, and I have my bowl. I have my bowl here. I'll just beat the eggs totally. You have to beat them totally, and when you beat the eggs, you'll add in the salt and all the spices of your choice inside, and you continue beating until it becomes a little foamy. I'm going to show you just in a little bit. So guys, this is our bowl. I'm going to put in the eggs. And I'm going to add in some salt. Put at your preference, what you prefer. I'm going to add in my black pepper. Also your preference. And I'm going to add some mixed spice. So everything you add the way you like, at your preference. I'm also going to add in some turmeric, just a little bit for some color, just a little bit, just like that. My turmeric. So these are the spices that I've used. They are there guys, and I'm going to beat this up till it has mixed well, until it is foamy. Till everything is incorporated so well. So if you have a whisk, you can use, but I'm just going to use a fork. You beat it so nicely, just like that, until it's foamy. So let me beat it and I'll be back. So guys, this is our pan. It's heating up. So I'll just do this to spread all the oil everywhere. The oil needs to be hot a little bit. You just do like this, and if the heat reaches you, the pan is probably hot. So I'm now going to put in my mixture. Just add in your mixture just like that. And please make sure to spread all the vegetables at all corners to make sure they are not in one place. Just like that. Just like that. Gentleness. Just be a little gentle. Just like that. I'm just going to spread in my mixture like that, and put the heat on low flame so that everything can cook nicely. Just make sure to spread your vegetable as I am doing. Just be gentle, slowly, just like that. And put your flame on such a little heat so that everything can cook so nicely. So let's wait for my omelette to cook. I'll give it about 3 minutes on the lower or on the back side of the omelette to cook, then I'll wait for the top side to cook. Our omelette is looking nice, and I believe the lower part has cooked nicely. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn this, and because I'm holding the phone, I'll just stop recording so that I can have a good flip, because I think if I do this when holding my phone, it will probably break apart. So let me turn this and I'll show you how it's going. Well guys, what a relief, what a relief. I've already turned my omelette and it turned so well. It didn't break apart. So the other side, don't give it a little more minutes to cook. Just give it around 1 minute, because as you can see, the lower part, it cooked so well. It cooked so evenly. So I'll gently press like this so that every part can cook so well, so good. So gently pat it like this, give it small parts so that it can cook everywhere so well. And after 1 minute, our omelette is ready to serve. And one tip guys, when you are cooking your omelette, don't use a spoon to do most of the things. Just do like this to turn, to make sure all the part cooks. Just give it a little swirl like that, because when you use a spoon, it will definitely break apart. Yeah guys, so let's wait. I now believe it's cooked. I'll just plate it in a pan and I'll be ready to eat it. See the next video guys. Well guys, our omelette is now ready. It's now ready, as you can see, and everything is cooked so well, so nicely. And let's indulge guys, let's indulge. Try this recipe, you're going to tell me. So if you can add the number of spices that you like, the number of vegetables that you like, and everything, it just come out so nicely if you follow the procedure so well. And I like eating mine with this hot and sweet by Zesta. And I'll just indulge now. So if you want a filling breakfast, you can try this omelette recipe and it will fill you up. Or if you are fasting, you can try this and let me tell you, it keeps you full. You see, it's almost a balanced diet because all the vegetables are in and the proteins are in. So if you're fasting and you're avoiding carbs, you can try this, and let me tell you, it will be so delicious, it will be so yummy. So try this and you're going to tell me. Bye bye, catch up with my next one, and see you guys. I don't know why my